Madaraka Express. I'm going to book select train. We are doing the Suswa train from Nairobi Terminus to Suswa. Departure date, we are leaving on Sunday. Today is Friday. We are leaving on Sunday. Time, we leave at 8:50 a.m. So book train. Oh my god, I hope it's still there. So first class 0, meaning they are full. Economy 100 seats left. So we are 2. So me and Faith, we are going to pay 500 Kenyan shillings. Book train. So guys, just like that, I have booked our train to Suswa and Suswa to Nairobi. So that is it, guys. I'll see you on Sunday very early in the morning. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. The time now is 5:10 in the morning, and I've dressed up. I'm very ready. I am going to head out, or we are going to head out to the CBD, and then we take a train to Syokimau Terminus, Nairobi Terminus, and then from there we go to Suswa, guys. We are getting out of Nairobi today, you guys, and I'm carrying you with me. We are going together, guys. So I'll be with my friend Faith, yeah. So let's get out of here. Let's go. I'm kind of scared. Guys, I made it to town. We are going to walk to the station, the railway station there, then take a train to Syokimau. Yeah? Guys, we made it here. My friend is right here, Faith. We made to Syokimau, now headed to go take another train to Suswa.
My heart sits tight in my chest. Don't mind the wreck, it's just a work of art. So I gladly take all the pain. Just about everything makes me think of you, and I wish there was something I could do. Losing track of time, I can sleep at night, cause even then you're running through my mind. I am a short of breath. It's really nothing, I want more. Here if you're there, all that I'm asking for. I'm burning for you, turning ashes, leaving the body. Burning for you is overwhelming, over-consuming, yeah. Going back and forth with the same questions. Have you known dark places too? Have you just wanna love, not the obsession? But I'm always lost in the two. Just about everything comes out tasteless, unless it's you who's on the other end. I get jealous when someone gets to see
to Suswa, guys. We are in Suswa. Yeah.
Don't make fun of me for living in the past. I'm still recovering from what can never last. Please stop telling me I should be moving on. Don't want my heart to be back at square one. No one will ever be comparable to you. Don't think that I will ever see love from another point of view. 'Cause loving you is
Okay, so this is our transport in India.
when they smell just like your jacket. I'll keep singing your same melody. Don't wanna learn a new song to sing. I'll be tangled up in this so familiar love. Million lies to write a million songs. I'll sing you day and night till my voice is gone. Would you laugh if you could see me now? I'm always looking past the new love to be found. Don't wanna waste all my time loving somebody new. 'Cause you remind me of the good times. You're my nostalgic point of view. 'Cause loving you feels so familiar. I can chase
Our trip comes to an end, guys. We are going back to Nairobi. Nairobi.